Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart English Hub. Be honest for a second. Do you check your phone every 5 minutes while studying? Don't worry, you're not the only one. I've been there too, and I know how frustrating it feels when your mind wants to study but your phone keeps pulling you back. But today, I'm going to tell you super simple psychology-based tips that will help you stay focused and finally control your phone, not the other way around. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's fix this together. Let's begin. Tip 1. Keep your phone far from your table. Please don't trust yourself when your phone is next to you. Even if it's upside down, even if it's silent, your brain still thinks about it. Just keep it in another room for 30 minutes. Try it once. You'll study double without even realizing. Tip 2. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Most notifications are not important, they just look important. Every ping steals your focus. Turn off everything you don't need. Your mind becomes instantly calmer. Tip 3. The 2-minute rule. Whenever you feel like checking your phone, tell yourself, "Let me study for 2 more minutes." That small delay breaks the distraction cycle. Most of the time, the urge disappears. Tip 4. Reward your brain. Your brain loves rewards. Study 30 minutes, check phone 5 minutes. This balance keeps you motivated, energetic, and consistent. Tip 5. Start easy. Don't open the hardest chapter first. When studying feels heavy, your brain runs toward your phone. Start with something simple. Your brain enters study mode naturally and smoothly. Final message. Listen, your phone will always be there. But your dreams, they need your focus today. Choose your goals over your notifications. Your future self will thank you. If these tips helped you even a little, hit the like button. Comment below. What distracts you the most while studying? Share this with someone who needs focus. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing study tips daily. You are improving, you are capable, and I'm right here with you on this journey. See you in the next video.